Hello students, my name is Girish Lokhande, your ICT teacher. Today we are going to see the first chapter of 7th standard, that is the number system. Okay, first of all, can you tell me what is a number system? A number system is the way of representing the numbers. Okay, now students, there are different ways of expressing numbers. So there are different number systems. Let us see one by one. The first number system is decimal number system. The decimal number system is the widely used number system. You use this number system in mathematics, and the base of this number system is 10. What does it mean? It means that this number system contains the numbers from 0 to 9. Okay? From 0 to 9. Alright. The next number system is the binary number system. Okay? This number system is used by the computer. So when you type A on a computer, the A will be processed as a binary first. It converts into binary and then it converts into the English letter A. Okay? So the binary number system. The base of this binary number system is 2 and the numbers are 0 and 1. You might have heard that computer accepts binary system only. That includes computer is a language of zeros and ones. Okay. Next number system we are going to discuss is octal number system. Okay. Here, octa means 8. In chemistry also you might have heard that octa means 8. That is why the base of this number system is 8. Now can you tell me how many numbers it includes? Yes, it includes numbers from 0 to 7. Okay, 0 to 7. Fine. Now again the last number system is the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal. It is also called as X number system. And the base of this number system is 16. Okay. So, can you tell me how many numbers it includes? Yes, it includes 16 numbers, but not from zeros to 15. Okay. Then how? The numbers are 0, 1, 2, up to 9, and after 9 you don't need to write 10. Okay, you have to write here A, B, C, D, E and F. So A will be 10, B will be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So from 0 to F. Students, just now I have said that computer accepts binary language. So it actually does not directly accept the binary language. It is actually a two-step process. In the first step, when you type A on your keyboard, the code gets converted into ASCII. Now what is ASCII? ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. I'll repeat, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Means when you exchange the information to a computer, there is a standard set of codes. When you type A, the ASCII for A is 65. When you type small a, the ASCII code is 97. Similarly, there are different ASCII codes. Now, from the ASCII code, it converts that into the binary system. Now, further, we will see the example of converting the decimal numbers into binary. Now, decimal numbers are these. How you can identify the numbers? See, this number 65, it is including 6 and 5. Okay, so it is decimal number. And 9 and 7, it is actually a decimal number. We are going to convert those numbers into binary. So what is the procedure? Let's see. Now, divide this 65 by 2. What is the division? 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 32 is the division. 32 is the division and 1 is the remainder. You have to make an arrow like this and you have to write the remainder over here. Again, divide this number 32 by 2. What will the answer? 16. Okay, 16 2s are 32. Remainder is 0. 2 divided by 2. Answer is what? 8. Division is 8 and remainder is 0 again. Divided by 2. What is the division? 4. Okay, 4 and remainder is 0. Divide 4 again by 2. Division is 2 and remainder is 0. Divide 2 by 2. Okay, so here the division is 1 and you have to finally stop here. Okay, when 1 is there, you have to stop entire process. Now you have to consider this line. You have to consider this arrow and start counting like this: 1 0 0 0 0 1. So the equivalent binary of 65 is 1 0 0 0 0 1. And remember the order. You have to count from the bottom, not from the top. If you count from the top, for this case it will be okay, because see, 1 0 0 0 0 and 1. But always remember you have to count from the bottom. So let me write the binary equivalent of 65: 1 0 0 0 0 and 1. Now the next example I am going to solve. Divide 97 by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. 1 is the remainder. Okay. Now again divide this number 48 by 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Divide it. Remainder here is 0. Fine. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 12 is the division. Again you have to divide it by 2. Okay. Here 0 is the remainder and 6 is the division, because 6 2s are 12. Divide by 2. 3 is the division and here 0 is the remainder. Divide by 2. 1 is the division. Okay. Here 1 is the remainder and 1 here is actually the division. So here when 1 comes at this place, you have to stop the entire procedure and you have to count from the bottom. So sequentially I am counting 1 1 0 0 0 1. So the equivalent binary of number 97 is 1 1 0 0 0 1. Let me write over here: 1 1 0 0, again 1 0 and 1. So in this session we have seen what is ASCII and how to convert the decimal number system into binary number system. I hope you understand this video.